What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We have a 1997 Jeep Wrangler, and I'm going to show you guys how to take this radio out. So first thing you want to do is come up here, and where you guys see this little top piece, that's going to come off. It's only held in by some good old clips. And then once you take that out, just put this on the little drill real quick. We're gonna come up here and take out these Phillips. I was about to say 7 mils. All right, now that we got the 7 mils out, I went on ahead and took the ashtray out, because behind the ashtray, I keep saying 7 mils, they're Phillips, but either way, behind the ashtray there's one more Phillip that we get to take out. And now all we gotta do is just pull this thing and hold on, might have to. It's only held in. There we go. Good job. All right, and then you have one 10 mil right here, one 10 mil right there. That's gonna get that radio. All right, I've taken the two 10 millimeter bolts out. This thing just slides on out like this. Alright guys, so we got the thing took out. Now they want to put a double dent in here, so we're going to do some major cutting. I'm going to show that in this video. If you guys want all the links, if you guys want to know what products that I'll be using, all the links will be in the description below. Let me go ahead and show y'all what we have to cut first. Alright, so first thing we got to do is take the AC out. So and try not to lose all the dang screws. Go ahead and check this out. Let's put that right there. Then what we want to do is I'm going to put all this stuff in the back right here so it doesn't get cut. And we want to cut out this area right here. Give that double dent some space. I'm gonna stop right there for a second to make sure all the wires is out the way, because I do not want to cut any of those. Alright. Now I think we actually need to come like right here. Alright guys, so now as you can see, with that thing cut, we have enough space. Now I just put my little AC thing back in here just so you guys can see that when the AC is mounted right here, that we do have enough space for our radio. So I know what you're thinking, how in the world are we going to mount this, because we just cut half of our hole? Well, you're supposed to cut half the hole, because what's going to happen is the mounting brackets that actually go to this, we're going to end up using this one hole right here to mount that 10 mil back, and then we're going to end up using this and this to drill some other holes in. And all right y'all, and this is what I was talking about. You're gonna put these brackets on. This one 10 is gonna go in the same location, and then you're gonna have to put 3 screws in right here, and it works pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put that front dash kit on, and we'll see what it really looks like. Alright guys,
Select women's tops from St. John's Bay, but do it quick. The JCPenney Friends and Family Sale ends Sunday.
Alright guys, so that's just about it. Like I said, all the links will be inside the description. I appreciate you guys coming to check out another how-to that I got going. Till the next in the car, this is JP signing out.